I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're going to enable picture-in-picture right now. First, make sure you're in Chrome or the Android YouTube app and the video is playing. Once the video is active, right-click on the video twice in Chrome to reveal the Pi-P option, or tap the Pi-P icon in the player on Android. If there's a dedicated Pi-P button, use it. This step starts the floating player so you can continue multitasking while the video keeps playing. Once the Pi-P window appears, position it where it won't block your work by dragging to a corner. Use the overlay controls to play, pause, or close the mini player. Some sites let you resize by dragging edges. Make sure to return to the original tab if you need full player controls, captions, or the video timeline, because Pi-P often limits fine-grained options. Also note that switching apps or tabs usually keeps Pi-P active, so you can keep watching while doing other tasks. To finish, tap the Pi-P Windows X or the Return to Tab button to restore the video to its original player. If picture-in-picture won't start, make sure browser permissions and experimental flags aren't blocking it, then update Chrome or your app. Clear cache, restart the app, and retry. If using extensions for Pi-P, disable them briefly to isolate problems and only install trusted extensions. This resolves most issues and gets Pi-P working reliably again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.